Alright, real quick video about a new traditional archery target I got. So let me get right into it. This is a traditional archery target made in China and made of straw. And here we go. So I'm going to clip this up a little bit. There it is. And there you go. Let's go check it out. Bum, bum, bum. All right, cruise on over here. Oh, hurt my shoulder there. Don't do that. Don't turn that way. There it is. So traditional straw mat target. Pretty cool. Dun, dun, dun. All right, we'll swing around this way. Check out the back. See how much it's gone through. Not too bad. There you have it.